Hello, how are you great people? Good morning, this is your guy J League here. And today guys, I have come to visit Mama Salimia hivi.
Josephine Nyambeki.
This is Josephine Nyambeki. She's the owner of these chickens. And as you can see, she has done a great work which I want us to learn with her. I want us to know the secret, the logic, and what motivated her to begin this project of chicken rearing. So thank you for keeping in touch and to watch us from time to time. Josephine, habari yako? Yes, mimi naitwa J League. Mimi nimekuja kukutembelea kwa sababu ya kuku. Nimefurahi kwa kunialika hapa kwako na ni furaha kubwa sana, maana yake tutasoma pamoja. Ningependa kukuuliza ni changamoto zipi unazopitia katika kuwalea hawa kuku wako?
Changamoto ya chakula. Ya kutunza. Kinadai chakula mingi.
Na madawa. Lakini chakula ndio mingi sana. Sasa kama hizi zenye ziko hapa toka asubuhi umezipea chakula hizi? Hujazipea chakula. Lakini naona zinakuangalia ni kama zinakujua pia. So Mama Josephine, ulianza na kuku wangapi?
Nilianza na kuku 10.
Na saizi ukiangalia wanaweza kuwa kuku wangapi?
Saizi? Onyole ntaoneti. Ngone jirani. Lakini wao naoneti chinde. Wale tunapotira around 60.
So guys, I was trying to inquire from her. She began with how many chickens? She's telling me that she began with 10 chickens. And if she didn't sell, she sold them recently because of some personal issues. Till now around 60, the ones which we are observing. And you have heard from her some of the challenges she's undergoing in taking care of these chickens. Her food, that is the challenge number 1. And another thing, vaccination. You know, for chicken rearing, guys, you know, you must consider to take care of them. So vaccination is another challenge. And of course, what a challenge you with Ndagera? And of course, you know, to keep an eye antenna, you must keep you know, watching them from time to time. A top-notch watch. Yes, so that is a bombastic side. That is very great. So when she opens when she wants to do something, if they're outside, she must wait until they are inside, so that she can take care of them. So Josephine, that is very great. These are some. She has separated some in different portions. So guys, you have seen these ones here, and we want to go to others, and you see other side. These are others here. So Mama Josephine unaweza kuja sasa. So she has done a great job in her home, and she's very dedicated in what she's doing, because when I'm inquiring from her, she's very, very anxious and dedicated in what she's doing. So I want to ask her 1, 2, or 3 questions. Ingigeka garuchi bekireta macha mangi.
Amacha karacha nyalire ndagere chiko gani amacha. Amangi. Utatia tia macha ayu abati chiko babu.
Guys, you know, for digestion reasons, we need water. That is why she has put a number of containers here for them to get water in an easy way. So these are different ones. Echi ngao mungina na chitwara malia. Echi nkiaka rucho chibeketa sanga. Echi nkiaka uchibeketa echi asanga echi. So Josephine has done a portion. She has differentiated different from depending to her size. She has a different portions of divisions in a chicken house, as you can see. The one we saw first, guys, are different, and this one are different. She has told me that the reason why she has a differentiated is because you know, they fight. So to prevent injuries and even fighting, to give them peace of mind, she has differentiated. So you can see chitu onchire manirenga.
Chitu onchire machire 12. Imeswebe. Yani otige biebi karende chichina. 12.
So guys, these ones here which you are seeing, these are bigger ones, and she's telling me that Marjorie, she has cocks inside here, which are 12. So guys, you have seen what she has done. This is how our chicken house looks like. You see, guys, very dedicated indeed, like how she's doing everything here. So this is what she has done, and there are some outside still, but they're doing good. So Josephine is a very dedicated, great farmer who is very passionate in whatever she's doing. So you have seen how she has divided. She began, you can imagine, guys, she began by 10 chickens, 10, but now she has kept on improving from time to time. So that is what she has done, and she keeps on monitoring them from time to time. So Josephine, nkira atebya abaturigireti no bwatenga na ora abatebirinde iga igoro yo tugwe chiboko. Etote naiga. Iga tenna.
Obo tugibwe chingoko no buyabore, ngoko konya bore. None kare kwanyolje chito, nabo kurusia ngoko ikwani. Usikwanya no gwatera na magena, kwanyara kwani.
So guys, I was trying to inquire what are some of the remarks she can advise and say to us concerning chicken rearing. She said that chicken rearing is a great job so long as you sacrifice yourself, and especially when you have some challenges and problems, through the chickens they can help you to avoid if you have some finance issues, you can sell and get some cash. So I'm very grateful na gokire na taje mwaiga na kirege na mtu asombe na gokire na nguchiore vaccine ngora sinkora gitonga mura mario na gokire na bachitagete igo na ndu no busafi ndo chino korto busafi sana no korto busafi ga
okwa busagora kungwa busakera lituko.
She's telling me that she maintains the hygienic level because that is what they need. So very, very wow. So na okina taiga ande na gogo chakera ke tulinde na nchenda kwa ninge sogeri ge ka ngwa na chirurari
na nche ngabo ko nyirende ga ngende chingoko.
So guys, we are going to talk to her. That is what she has said. So we are very grateful, and keep on watching, keep on learning from what we are doing day by day. If you have any way you can advise, if you have any way you can support her, like the challenge of food which you had her say, she's requesting to, you can support her in whichever way. Yeah, so that she can get some, feedings for her chicken. So guys, I'm very, very grateful for taking your time to watch our videos from time. Learn with us. Thank you for watching.